Today we're going to get the main side of this whole unit done. So this whole rack of mine, this is the back side. So we're going to get the mains done, put in, so we can get a low voltage out and start the rest of the videos with everything on the other side, including the Raspberry Pi and all the other power supplies that we need to install. So let's get cracking. The idea is for all the back end, like I've said last time, it's going to show to the rear. So the mains voltage will be isolated from everything on the other side of the rack. So our idea is to have, I've got a breaker on this side, 5 amp breaker. So we will run this switch with all the multi-adapter with all the plugs, similar to this one. We'll be running off here, and then we'll also swing to the 24 volt power supply, which will feed 24 volts to the 5 volt circuits as well as the variable voltage controller, which will be this one, which is going to sit in the front. Also, what we're going to do is we're going to install this one in the front. This will be a voltage monitoring, so it does have a monitoring circuit that we will need to install on this side. And this is voltage, amps, frequency, and energy usage. So somewhere in front this will sit, and we will monitor all the data coming, or all the voltage and current coming into this rack. Since this is a boring part of the job, I'm gonna time lapse it with some music on, and you can enjoy with me. In the meantime, you guys can like and subscribe. You want to see this build getting to the end. There are some parts I've already done, like the Raspberry Pi and the hard drives on it. Those videos will come out shortly. Yes, let's make some progress. You guys have been waiting for a long time for more videos on this, so let's get them out. I'll try to get more out this season. Let's start. Everything is solid. Let's start the wiring. Okay, so we've got our mains coming in from a kettle block, breaker to the multi adapter, and also to the power supply. So from here on, we're going to have a 24 volt running back out to the front, and our adapters also going to the front. So what we're going to do now is fit this into the rack so we can finish up this back side and move to the front. So everything is fitted now. We're going to have the plugs in here. All wiring will go to the back here. And then they will go to the equipment on this side. That's 24 volts coming through. So that's coming all the way from the bottom there. The mains coming in through switch, current, using the current coming through and going out. I might replace this cable eventually. I'm just looking for a thicker one. I don't think we will need a thicker one. Breaking on a 5 amp on a 5 amp breaker. So the back end here basically is done. So the next video we're going to move to the front, that section. I'm going to start fitting all the equipment, and first build the rack that fits in here, or not the rack, the Raspberry Pi. And I'll see you in the next one. Guys, if you want to see where this is going to end, this project, please like, subscribe. See you in the next one. Thanks.